Hey, P. Who was that? Vloggy, Vlogmas, Vlog. Alright, y'all, so I know my intro might be in this setting, even though the video ain't starting this setting, but that's only because where I was at, I started recording at Khi'S barbershop when he was at his barber, and I couldn't do my intro because like his barber is Jamaican and the shop is full of Jamaicans, so it was just a whole bunch of Jamaican people staring at me like I was crazy. So I could not. Y'all know how the islanders are. I could not. I kind of just woke up. I actually woke up around 6 o'clock this morning, like 6:30, whatever, to go pick up Makai's cake and all that, because T's gonna be out with the car all day today. So I know I'm not gonna have a chance to do Zai. Can I get some camera shine too, bruh? So I know I'm not gonna be able to do a lot of things today. Everything is pretty much done now. It just needs to decorate and stuff, which y'all gonna be doing with me today. So I'm really tired, y'all. I'm really functioning off of 4 hours of sleep. I went to sleep around 2-3 o'clock last night, and I had to wake up at 6 o'clock. So actually I have to record a Vlogmas video for y'all today. It's Saturday, so I'm probably gonna go record that Vlogmas video, edit it, put it up, and then I'm gonna come back and yeah. Say hey, weirdos. Say hey, weirdos. He not for it. Ever since he's a baby, he's never liked the camera, y'all. Say hi. Yeah. I love my baby. He is so handsome. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna holler at y'all when I start getting ready. Alright, you guys, so it's basically about, what time is it? I think it's like 3 something, going on 4 o'clock. So I'm going to start decorating and setting up. It's 3:54. So I'm gonna start decorating and set it up. I know I have like 1 or 2 people that say they're coming early because, you know, they don't want to drive too late, and you know the party does start at 6, and you know the whole time change and all that mess. So yeah, so they'll be coming a little bit early. So I'm gonna start decorating and setting up now. The house is pretty much clean. I already swept, mopped, and did all of that and whatever and all that jizz. So it's basically just the decoration. T is supposed to be getting off at 5, and I told everybody it starts at 6 because he does have to stop and get a few items as well, like some food stuff. So he'll be here maybe like 6:15 roughly, more or less. So that way everybody should be here before Makai gets here so they can yell surprise. Y'all, I'm so excited, and I'm excited to see his reaction. But yeah, so I'm gonna set up. Y'all gonna watch me set up. So as you can see, I already got my table set up over there. Normally my table's in the middle of this dining area, but I put it all the way against the wall, and I have these chairs over here to my right, and it's 4 of them. Like, this is basically my setup. I put Kai in the chair, Azra in the chair, because he keep moving around. He doing too much. So right now he in baby jail. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
They can't see you, that's right.
Now. Say hi. Hi guys. This is Ezra. I'm Mia. Hi Ezra. Hi. He looks so cute. Cousins.
Yeah.
Hi. So you guys, Life as Misha is in the building. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel, Life as Misha. Follow me on TikTok.
It's not soccer ball. Hey.
Follow me on TikTok, Misha45. Period. Poop. Okay, let me get out.
I said no.
Go follow the APOLLON kids. I tell you, is this good enough? Misha channel. No, it's a girl Misha, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another lit video for you, and you, and you, and you.
What's up, bro? You doing good? So you gonna have that bottle in your hand all day?
Let him.
You ain't gonna talk to nobody?
He doesn't want to play. Not yet.
Hey, Azra, Makai, calm down. You on camera, bro. Calm down. Calm down. Oh.
You ready? Freeze dance. Alright, so you have to dance. Start. Just dance, and when the music stops, you stop dancing. You have to freeze. Okay? Everybody got it?
You tired? I'm tired. Okay, y'all. I was trying to figure out how to flip this camera. And y'all see me. Oh, if y'all wondering why I'm not recording on my phone, because we're having too much fun and there's nowhere to place my phone so I can continue recording. Like right now, let's say my auntie, she's trying to do a lot of stuff with this party, so that's why she's not recording a lot. And me, I'm shy. I'm not trying to like record in front of a lot of people. I'm not trying to talk a lot either because I don't want my auntie editing a lot, wasting her time. She's already tired taking care of this party stuff. I feel bad for her. I feel her pain, but I'm a good niece, you know.
Boy, if you don't.
You don't want it? You don't want it. Come on. Hit it hard. 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 He hit it! Okay! Get the candy! Get the candy! Put it in your bag!
Make sure you get a line off like
Misha!
Makai!
Say cheese.
Say cheese! Say cheese! Makai, you like your candy? You like your candy? It's tasty? Tyler, did you get any candy? Yeah? Mia, you got some candy?
Yeah, I got the milk.
Zara, did you get some candy?
No, you can't open both of them, buddy. You got
Well, my angles are perfect. I already took some good angles.
Come on, let's sing happy birthday. It's your birthday. You're not gonna like it? You like your cake? What cake is it?
A truck.
Happy birthday.
It's a truck cake.
Be careful. Not yet.
Not yet.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Makai. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Go blow your candle. Yay!
Nah, buddy.
Alright, y'all, so the pajama fest is finally over. So I think next year we're gonna keep it light for his birthday, but I had fun though. I enjoyed everybody that was here. A lot of good friends came, family members, so I had so much fun. Makai had fun, Azra had fun, the other kids had fun. And that's all that matters. Everybody had fun. I didn't get to show y'all the before, but here is the after, y'all. We had Rice Krispie treats. Here's the cake. We had sliders over there, like turkey sliders. We had strawberry covered chocolate over here, like the whole shebang. We had the piñata. Y'all probably saw some of that. Here are all of Makai presents on the floor. We had these decors on the ceiling over here, y'all. And we had like glow-in-the-dark balloons, y'all. We got to play all of the kids' games, but we did not end up watching the movie because it was too late. People came late, and right now it's currently 11:30, and people literally left like maybe 30-40 minutes ago. So but yeah, that's the end of Makai's party. This is the end of this vlog, y'all. My body hurt, my chest hurt. I didn't even have any breakfast this morning. I ate like one slice of pizza. Oh my God, I don't think I'm doing this again. Why did I even do this year? Every year I say that. I'm not doing this again, and I end up doing it. Oh, my hair feels tight. Release, release, release. Somebody, next year if I say anything about Makai's birthday, send me this vlog. Like, text me and be like, Alex, don't do it. Last year your body felt crazy. You felt crazy. You were overwhelmed. You were over it before it even started. Don't do it. Someone please remind me, because next year, T likes the small stuff. I should listen to him more often, huh? Nah. But alright guys, this is the end of this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post bell notification to be notified. Don't forget to tell a friend so they can tell a friend so they can tell a friend so they can tell another friend so that friend can come back and watch. But yeah guys, that's the end of this video. Until next time, peeps. What happened, baby? Deuces. Bye. Say deuces. Say it's my birthday.
It's my birthday.
It's my birthday.
It's my birthday.
Oh, it's a birthday. He lit. Ooh, 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 ooh. Break it down. Ooh, break it down. Ooh, Break it down. Ooh. Break it down. Ooh. 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 Show them how you do it. Bye-bye, y'all.